Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install Google Gemini on iPhone. So if you want to get the Google Gemini on your iOS device, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install Google Gemini on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. If you use a passcode, unlock your App Store with a passcode or Face ID. And then click on the spotlight search at the bottom right. Search for Google Gemini. And click on the search button. Now hang on for the search result. Once the search result pops, locate and click on Google Gemini. Then you'll be prompted to get, so click on the get button. In this case, maybe prompted to type in the side button twice, or tap install from the pop and then confirm your Apple ID account password. Once you can confirm your Apple ID account password, go ahead and click on sign in and then hang on a couple of seconds. Then once your Apple account password is confirmed, then you should see the Google Gemini installing on your phone. Now, once the Google Gemini is installed successfully on your iPhone, you can just go ahead and click on open to start using the Google Gemini on your iPhone. So that's basically how to download Google Gemini on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.